How to check PayPal card number. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily locate your card number linked in your PayPal account. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, open a preferred web application, or you can also do this by using your PayPal app. At the top search bar, type in paypal.com, then get logged into your PayPal account. Once you're logged into your PayPal account, you will see a screen like this. Tap on three bar icon on your top left corner, then here tap on Wallet. Now once you're at the Wallet page, you will be able to see your bank and cards that are connected with your PayPal account. Here below, if you tap onto your card, you will be able to see your full card number. And if you would like to add new bank cards, you can tap on the Add New section there and easily add a new card or link a new bank card in your PayPal account. And that is it. This is how you can check your PayPal card number. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you up in our next upload.